If you're struggling to streamline your recruiting process, simplifying it with a centralized HR tool could be a game changer. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use a centralized HR tool to make your recruiting process smoother, faster, and more organized. First, let's dive into the core benefit of using a centralized HR tool: organization. By centralizing all your recruiting data in one place, you eliminate the chaos of juggling multiple systems and spreadsheets. Everything from job postings, candidate applications, and interview schedules to feedback and offers can be managed from one dashboard. This means no more lost resumes or scrambling for interview notes. You've got everything in front of you when you need it, but it doesn't stop there. A good centralized HR tool also streamlines communication. With integrated messaging and notifications, you can quickly reach out to candidates, team members, and hiring managers, ensuring everyone stays in the loop. This improves not just speed, but also collaboration, reducing the risk of miscommunication. Next up, automation. Many of the best HR tools come with automated features like candidate screening, interview scheduling, and even follow-up emails. This cuts down the manual work for you and your team, letting you focus on the important tasks, like evaluating top candidates and making decisions. Imagine being able to auto-generate interview invites or send personalized follow-up emails in seconds. Such a time saver. And let's not forget about reporting. A centralized HR tool gives you easy access to analytics that can help improve your hiring strategy. You'll be able to track key metrics like time to hire, candidate source, and interview feedback, giving you insights to fine-tune your process for better results in the future. Now, if you're wondering which software to use, I've tested a few of the most popular ones. For this video, I'll be using our recommended software, which simplifies recruiting while being super easy to integrate with other tools. Plus, you'll find a link in the description for an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along and try it yourself. The key takeaway here is that simplifying your recruiting process with a centralized HR tool is all about organization, communication, automation, and data. By centralizing everything in one place, you'll save time, reduce errors, and hire smarter. To quickly recap, organizing your recruiting data, automating repetitive tasks, improving communication, and tracking performance metrics, these are the steps to simplify your recruiting process and make your hiring workflow more efficient. Don't forget, if you want to give this a try, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.